Hi everybody. Um, so a few people who don't live in Korea asked me to go on live to show them the city a little bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you a little bit around. Hi from Mexico, from all over the world. Everybody joining from all over the world. Hi guys. So this is just a little neighborhood in Seoul. I just came out of somebody's house. And I'm going to head back to my house. So I'll show you guys just how small neighborhoods in Seoul look like. So this is more of a residential area, right? It's a Sunday afternoon here. Yeah, I'm headed into the subway. Hello, hi everybody. I'm headed into the subway. You guys can see what a Korean subway looks like, or a subway in Seoul. Right. All right. So this is a area of Seoul called Songpa-gu. I have a friend who lives here, so I just came out of their house and I am going to head into the subway. So, alright, here we go. This is a subway station and we're heading down the escalators into the subway. Alright. So this is 경찰병원 subway station. National Police Hospital subway station. It's line 3. There's a lot of different lines in Seoul. You're welcome. Secret Giggles here was one of the people who actually requested me to show them around the city. Right. So we came down one flight of escalators. And we're going to be going down another flight of escalators. We'll be going down. It's Sunday here, so there's not a lot of people. Yeah. This subway station is actually one of the nicer ones. It's one of the newer ones. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. Alright, so not too many people at the moment. So I'll try to find a subway car that doesn't have people so I can keep talking. Right. So we came down 2 flights of escalators so far, and we got a beep in, right? I'm gonna get my card and beep in, right? 성현아 안녕. 지금 그 서진 누나네 승아 보고 이제 집에 가는 길이야. Alright, so we have to go down another flight of escalators. This one is very long, right? Going down another flight. Hi everybody. Hello. Hey Julia. Hi. So if you're just joining, yeah, well this subway station is very clean. Some are dirty, some are very clean. This one is one of the cleaner ones. So yeah, some people have been asking me to show them Seoul, the city, because a lot of you guys don't live here. So I'm just showing you guys how the city looks like. and taking you guys along with me while I go home. So not too many people, right? Not a lot of people. So I'm gonna wait for that one. That one's gonna come here, right? Hello. Hi, Carrie. Hey, Danny. Right, so I'll show you guys. Let's see. So I have to transfer once in the middle, and so I'm gonna go to the car where I transfer. Hello. Hello everybody, thank you for joining. Hello. Hello. Okay, so this is a map of the whole subway station here in Seoul. Right? So it's very complicated. Very, very complicated. You guys see here. So we are right here right now. This is where we're at. Right? On line 3, we're going to be taking line 3. And then we're going to be transferring at Dogok station. We'll be transferring right here. Right? And it says here, we're taking line 3 from here. Then I'll be transferring here, right? So it says transfer at 6-3, which is right here, right? 6-3. The subway is here now, so I can get on. Hopefully there's nobody in the car, so I can keep talking. Nice, not too many people. Okay. So there's not a lot of people today, so I can keep talking. Alright. I am heading back home. I was at my friend's house, and I'm going back home right now. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Right? So this one is actually a very, very clean. 영훈아 안녕. 안녕. Hey 다솔. So 이제 인스타 친구들이 서울에 사는 사람들이 많이 없어가지고, 한국에 사는 사람들이 많이 없어가지고 한국을 보고 싶다고 해요. 그래서 오늘 지금 이제 선배님 집에서 일 끝나고 집 다시 돌아가는 이제 길을 보여주는 거예요. 서울의 길을. 여기가 거의 동점이라 사람이 별로 없어. Yeah, not too many people here. Very empty. So when a lot of people start joining or start coming into the train, I'm gonna have to probably turn it off, but until then I can keep going live. I'm headed home right now, actually, from my friend's house. I'm going back home. Yeah. Okay, there's more people coming on, so I'll try not to show their faces. Right now it's Sunday, and this is one of the starting points of this line, so there will be more people getting on as we go. Yeah. 저 지금 집으로 돌아가는 중이에요. 일 보고. So, okay, there's no people sitting here, so I can go this way. Alright. So we've gone one station so far. I'm gonna have to go about 6 more stations and I can transfer to what we call the yellow line, Gundang line, which is where my house is. Thank you, thank you. 고마워, 영나. Right. 아, 영나 지금 서진눈안에서 오는 길이야. 되게 오래됐지, 된지. Oh, we're on the yellow line. Hi, Mexico. Hi, Mexico. Right, so most of the subway stations will have a Korean announcement and then an English announcement. Some of the lines have a Japanese announcement and a Chinese announcement also. But all of the subway lines will have Korean and English. There's a lot more people now, so I'm gonna have to maybe switch the view over. Hold on. Okay, sorry. There's a lot of people on the subway now, so I don't want to show their faces. So I'll just show my face even though I don't really want to. Yeah. So, hi. This is kind of awkward. I'm not good at this kind of stuff. So if you guys are just joining, there were a few people who don't live in Korea, and so they wanted to see what Korea looks like, how Seoul looks like. So I said I would do a live broadcast while traveling around the city. So right now I'm traveling on the subway, going back home from a friend's house. And yeah, showing you a Korean subway station, Seoul subway station. So hi Carol. Yeah. So you guys can see, we're underground, going really fast. Yeah. So, how about? Oh, thank you. Yeah, this is kind of embarrassing. I wanted to show you guys the way to transferring lines. Right, Irwan. So we have to wait about five more stations. Yes, I had kimbap for lunch today. 오늘 김밥 먹었어요. 꼬마김밥, mini 김밥. I know kimbap is a very popular Korean dish in other countries, right? A lot of people in other countries like kimbap. Yeah. 나방 환승. 환승까지 지금 보여드리려고 지금 버티고 있는데 너무 어색하네요. 이렇게 얼굴을 이렇게 대고 있는 게 어색하네요. 다시 이제 저쪽엔 사람들이 안 계시니까 보여드릴 수 있겠다. Okay, no people on this side, so I can show you guys. So, yes, 꼬마김밥 먹었어요. This station is a station called Irwan, and I think the next station is Irwan, 그다음에 대청. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 more to go. 4 more stations. Okay. So what should we talk about? Oh, thank you so much. 잘생기신 거는 저희 이영 배우님이 잘생기셨죠. 대청역. 오케이. 파이팅! 조금만 견디면 돼요. 조금만 버티면 이제 환승 보여드릴 수 있어요. I can show you guys. If you guys wait just a little longer, maybe 5 more minutes, I'll be able to show you guys how we transfer stations here in Korea. Yeah, Gia, this is really embarrassing for me. It's actually really embarrassing for me right now. But I'm trying my best. And yeah, I just wanted to show some people who wanted to see Korea, what Korea looks like, what Seoul looks like. So yeah. Oh, there's more people coming on, so I'm gonna switch over. Okay, 사람들이 또 타시니까 제 얼굴부터 바꿀게요. People coming on the subway. I don't want to show random people's faces, so I'll just show my face. Yeah. This is very, very awkward. 아주 어색하네요. Yeah. Again, if you guys are just joining, hi. Hello. Hello from Seoul. Hi, Mexico. Hello from Seoul. If you guys are just joining, there were a few people who asked me if I can show them what the city looks like, what Seoul looks like. So we decided to do a live broadcast of me going back home on the subway through the city. And yeah, thank you. I'm sorry I look like this right now, but I don't want to show any other people's faces without their consent. I'm getting off at a station called Seonleung Station, right? Which is on the yellow line, Bundang line. Because I live near Seonleung Station. Okay. Hanyeol Station. Okay, if you guys see up there, can you guys see? We have 2 more stations to go. 2 more. 영훈아, 얼굴 진짜 봐야지. 너무 오래됐어. 형 봐야지. Yeah. So 2 more stations. That's all you have to wait for me to show you how we transfer stations here in Seoul. So I came, they mark the car number where it's fastest to transfer to a different line. And this one on line 3, on the orange line, the fastest car where you can switch to the next station is, the next line is 6-3. So the 6th car in the 3rd exit, right? So that's where I'm sitting right now. Yeah. Oh, hi. Hi, Scotland. Hello to Scotland. Hi from Seoul, Korea. We have people from all over. Nice. We have people from Brazil right now joining, people from Mexico, people from Scotland. Thank you for joining us. Okay. Yeah, sure. What's your question, Gia? What's your question? Hello. Hi. Okay, so this is an exit. Doors closing. Next one. 1 more station to go. Hi. Hello. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Yes, I'm live. Hello. Okay. So the next station, I'll show you now. We are switching at Togo, right? we're gonna be going out this way. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. So these doors will be opening. So we're here at this station where we're gonna transfer. It's called Dogok Station. Thank you so much. Okay, here we go. Oh, there's people, so I'm gonna aim down. So here we go. So I was at 6-3, right? Because that's where it says it's the quickest way to transfer to that yellow line. Okay? Transfer. 네, 잘 지내요. The subways are not automatic. There is a driver, right? So the drivers have to pay attention. They have to stop the cars, the subway cars, manually every time. And so you see there, right? Exit, transfer. So we're gonna go down yet another flight of escalators, right? So I think I came down about 4 flights of escalators now. So we're very deep underground. Okay. Yeah, there's not a lot of people right now because it's Sunday. So not too many people. Oh, so Cardias guy here tells me one of the lines called 신분당선, that one is automatic, no driver for that one. I didn't know that. Thank you. So this one now, there's more people here. Okay. So I will stand here. It's headed for Wangsimni. You see how there's English? Yeah. There's a lot more people on this line. Yeah. It's a lot of respect to the subway drivers. Yeah. And they have to be, they have to pay attention at all times, right? Because it's dangerous. A lot more people now, right? Let's see if I should go to the end. Yeah, I never, I don't know how deep it actually is, how many meters underground it actually is. Oh, another thing. Trash cans in Korea are very rare. So, yeah, you don't see trash cans too often. So sometimes we just have to carry around the trash until we can find it. Okay, I'm gonna sit down because I'm old and I'm tired. Sit down and wait until the train comes. Yeah, they have a schedule that they have to follow by the minute, but sometimes they can't because during work hours, like in the morning and afternoon, subways get really packed. There's a lot of people on the subway, so sometimes it gets delayed, but they try to keep on schedule. Yeah, feels like we're going home together, right? Oh, my subway came, so I'm getting on this one. There's a lot of people on this one, so I'm gonna try. Oh man, I don't know if I can I don't know if I can keep shooting live right here because there's so many people. Okay, I'll try. Okay, there's way too many people now, so I'm gonna shoot it on my face. Yeah. Yeah, I'm from the US, and the US has a lot of trash cans too. But that was one of the adjustments I had to make in Korea. There's not a lot of trash cans, so it took getting used to. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of people. If you can see behind me, there's a lot of people on the trains. Hello. Hi. I'm talking very softly. You guys can hear me, right? Yeah. I'm actually pretty old. I'm not young. Okay, so we only have to go 2 stations here. So we already came 1 station. We only have 1 more to go. Then I'll show you the way out of the subway station. Okay. Hi, hello everybody. Thanks for joining. No, subways, usually the last time for subways is 12 a.m. Right? 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. is usually the last trains on the subways. Yeah. So for people who are just joining, there were a few people who don't live in Korea who wanted to see the city, who wanted to see Seoul. So yeah, we thought that we can just do a little live broadcast throughout the city. So I'll be doing it a few times. Today's live broadcast is just going home from a friend's house. So I'm showing you guys the subway system here in Seoul and how to transfer subway systems and stuff like that. Yeah. You definitely don't look 39, Fiona. You look very young. And yeah, this is very awkward just talking to myself. This is, I think, only my 2nd time doing a live broadcast on Instagram. So, excuse me if I'm very awkward. Oh, you're still in Bahrain. What are you doing there? You just like working and chilling there? Okay, so this is my exit. So I'm gonna be going out now. I will show you guys the way out. Alright. I'm getting off. Try not to show anybody's face. Yes, so if someone is out drinking late or anything, they have to go home late from work, they'll have to take a cab, a taxi, after 12 or 1. So now, yes, you guys should all come visit. It's a great country. Now I'm going to be going up the subway, out of the station. Yeah, I see. So there's people going up, right? That's a good idea, except I think it would be very awkward, and when there's a lot of people, that'd be very weird, right? From Saudi Arabia, hi. Hi from Korea, thank you for joining from Saudi Arabia. Oh, you can't come into the country right now because of the quarantine. Right. I think the quarantine rules are gonna change soon. There's been a lot of rumblings about that. Okay, so we came up the first flight. Now it's a second flight of escalators. Second flight of escalators. So you guys remember, hey Anna, 집에 가요. I'm going home. So you guys remember when I first came into the subway, I had my card, right? And I beep, this is my credit card. And it beeps automatically, right? And I can go out. It's connected to my credit card. Okay. And, so we have to go up a lot more because we came down so much underground. Yeah. So we got stairs. Yes, this is the Gangnam area. Gangnam-gu. I want to show you guys this. So this right here is something where if you guys sell things online, used items online, these days because of COVID, people don't want to meet up, right? So they'll just put it in one of these and then give you the code. And once you receive the money, they'll give you the code and you can take the item. So you guys never have to meet when you sell secondhand items, used items. Right? So that machine was set up there fairly recently, in the past couple months. I thought it was a good idea. Pretzels. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Pretty neat. I think the people who are out right now are, most of them are people who went to church today and are going back home, I think. Okay, so oh, where you beep my so you can connect, you can have a transportation card, or you can just connect it to your credit card or debit card and just use it for the subway instead of buying a subway card. Okay, so we're going up again. We're finally gonna make it to the ground. Hello, hi guys. Oh, you hear the fire sirens? I guess there's a fire. Okay, so this is an area of Seoul called Gangnam. Not Gangnam Station, but Gangnam area. There's a lot more taller buildings here, alright? A lot more taller buildings. Yes, that's how I pay for my subway ride. Oh, there's a lot of different flags, different country flags. It's not Gangnam Station, it's 2 stations away from Gangnam. So you guys all know that's the Korean flag, right? That's a convenience store. Bus stop, right? 더워요. 근데 오늘 긴팔을 입었어요. 더워 죽겠어요 지금. Alright, big streets, right? So I'm gonna be going into a little smaller street on my way home. Okay. So these are all buildings. They're office buildings, and some are called office tells, where people can use it as an office or just for living, right? For housing. And some people use it for both their office and their living quarters. Oh, sorry, is my voice too loud? Sorry, I'll quiet down. Okay. So I used to live in this building. I used to live here, but I moved. Yeah, the weather's actually very good today. It's wonderful. It was raining yesterday and it was a little bit chilly, but today it's hot. I accidentally wore long sleeve today and it's really hot right now. World famous Starbucks, right? There's Starbucks everywhere in Korea. So during the week, this area here is very, very busy because a lot of companies are here and a lot of people come here to eat lunch and dinner. This is Starbucks. This Big Star pizza. I haven't had Big Star in a long time. Alright, so these are all, this street is all like restaurants, cafes, restaurants. Yep. This whole street. Down this way. They're all smaller restaurants. Oh yeah, I've heard that a lot. My English voice, when I speak English and when I speak Korean, my voice is very different, I think. People say when I speak English, my voice is deeper a little bit, and when I speak Korean, it gets higher. So I don't know if that's for everybody, but for me, definitely, my voice changes. Alright, so this is another huge office tower. People use it as offices and businesses, and they live there. This is a restaurant, chicken restaurant. So there's all of these little houses, right? What we call villa, villas in English, they call it. They're all pretty small, not too big. Oh, it's hot. I'm sweating now. I'm wearing a hat too, so let me take off my hat. Representing LA. Oh, you guys can't see, because I'm from LA. LA. Wearing an LA hat today. Yeah, I didn't know that, but I heard when I came to Korea, people said my voice when speaking English is a lot different than when I speak Korean. So I moved a few times, Anna. Yeah, I moved a few times. That's a 7-Eleven, right? We have a lot of 7-Elevens in the United States. I don't know about other countries. I do know Hong Kong has 7-Eleven. Korean 7-Eleven. Ah, yeah. Oh, somebody's moving. Look at that. This is a moving truck. Somebody is moving today, I guess. Okay. I'm almost home. I don't know if I want to show you guys my house. It's really messy right now. I don't know if I want to show you my house. Do I prefer America or Korea? Well, like everywhere else, there are a lot of pros and cons to living in the US versus Korea. And well, Korea has a lot of conveniences that America doesn't have. Like food delivery is wonderful here. Packages, you get them overnight. America usually takes, a week. Although that's changed a lot, I heard. Okay. So this is my house. My house is very messy right now. Hold on. So everybody in Korea uses these keypads, right, with the numbers. No keys. We don't use keys. Okay. So, all right. I'm not gonna show you guys my passcode though. Okay. Oh my God, it's so messy. All right, I'm gonna cover it real quick. I'm gonna cover it real quick because it's very messy. And hold on, let me set up a camera stand. Switch. Okay, I'm home. It's really hot. Sorry, my hair is really messy because it's hot. I was wearing a hat. Yeah, that was a subway ride from my friend's place to my place. And that took about, how long did it take? How long have we been live? I think it should take about 40 to 45 minutes. And it's not that far, but because I have to transfer once on the subway, it takes some time. And walking from the subway station to the house takes some time too. So, yeah, this is my house, but I can only show you this wall because everywhere else it's really messy. And so, thank you for joining us today in Seoul. Yes, I have to go wash my hands, definitely. Thank you for joining us in Seoul today. Hope you guys found it interesting to see Seoul a little bit. I'll show you more next time. So until next time, thank you. I'll talk to you all soon.